welcome you watching dbmnTv. This is Monali Sarambai bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. The press office of the Holy See announced yesterday, the 15th of March 2023, that the Secretary General of the Synod, Cardinal Mario Grech, in accordance with Article 10, Parts 1 to 2 of the Apostolic Constitution Episcopalis Communio, established and will preside over the preparatory commission for the realization of the 16th Ordinary General Assembly of the Synod of Bishops. Among the members appointed to the commission, there is also the Salesian Monsieur Timothy Costello, Salesians of Don Bosco, Archbishop of Perth in Australia. The French International High School of the Atlantic Provinces LIFPA Don Bosco will open at the beginning of the 2024 school year in the city of St. John, province of New Brunswick, Canada. The institute's website has been up and running for a few days, and the recruitment of teachers and potential students has already begun. The province of New Brunswick is an officially bilingual Canadian province, French and English. Located along the Atlantic Ocean, it is known for its natural beauty, the warmest saltwater beaches in the country, the magnificent St. John River, often called the Rhine of North America, or the tidal Bay of Fundy, the strongest in the world. And among the main cities of the province is St. John, where a third of the inhabitants speak French. It is there that in September 2024, a new school of the Don Bosco School Network will open of the Salesians of France and South Belgium, FRB. The Sons of Don Bosco present in Thailand are involved in the education of children and young people in the spirit of Don Bosco to make them good citizens of the nation and good believers according to their religion. In Thailand, the number of Catholics is equal to just 0.4% of the total population, equivalent to 4 lakhs people out of population of over 70 millions. In fact, in Salesian schools, more than 95% of the students are Buddhists, which is why the school is an important field of apostolate. In the Salesian schools, through the various activities organized, the students breathe the atmosphere of loving kindness proper to Don Bosco's educational system and the values of the gospel. Furthermore, Catholic students receive special attention through the teaching of catechism, spiritual retreats and the sacraments. In addition, therefore, to the care of evangelization, the Salesians encourage all the pupils to lead a good life according to their beliefs. In view of the renewal and revitalization of the oratories and youth centers of the St. Thomas the Apostle, Province of India, Chennai, INM, last Sunday, 12th March 2023, the Provincial House of Chennai, a day of animation for the leaders of oratories and youth centers on the theme INM, Be Salesian, Be Synodal. The city of Chennai in southern India has 20 Salesian institutions, including 5 active oratories that meet the criterion of the Valdorco Oratory. In the face of such wealth and responsibility, those in charge and delegates to those oratories gathered to discuss, review, renew and relaunch this ingenious initiative of Don Bosco. The debate was based on the updated reflection on youth centers and oratories provided by the General Counsellor for Youth Ministry, Father who helped and facilitated the discussion and animation of the charge. Syria is celebrating the 12th anniversary of the outbreak of war amid a critical humanitarian situation aggravated by the aftermath of last month's earthquakes in the north of the country. A generation of young people knows no other situation than living amid bombs, poverty, insecurity and uncertainty. The Salesians, for their part, continue to stand by the people, helping, caring and opening their doors to their neighbors to instill hope and continue to be an oasis of peace and a home of hope in the midst of suffering. The war in Syria turns 12 years old yesterday, March 15, 2023. There are no more bombs except in a rebel-controlled area in the north of the country, but the situation of the population is dire. The conflict has left more than 500,000 dead, more than 2.1 million wounded and more than 13 million displaced, with at least 6.6 million refugees in other countries. Over 11 of the 17 million people in the country today urgently need humanitarian assistance to survive, and among them are 6.5 million minors. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.